Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to register for a PayPal account with ease. PayPal is one of the most trusted payment platforms for online transactions, whether you're buying, selling, or transferring money. Let's walk you through the step-by-step process. Visit the PayPal website. The first thing you need to do is visit the official PayPal website. Once you're on the homepage, you will see an option to sign up for an account. Click on that button to start the registration process. Choose your account. PayPal offers two main account types. Personal account. This is ideal for individuals who want to make online purchases or send money to family and friends. Business account. This option is for people who want to accept payments for goods or services. If you're planning to run a business, this is the account type you'll need. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Fill in your personal information. PayPal will ask you to provide some personal information, such as your name, address, phone number, and email. Make sure this information is accurate to avoid any issues later. Link your bank account or credit card. In order to send or receive money, you need to link a payment method to your PayPal account. You can link your bank account, credit card, or debit card. To link your bank account, you'll need to enter your routing and account numbers. You can also add a credit or debit card for quicker transactions. Verify your account. After you've entered all your details, PayPal will send a confirmation email to the email address you provided. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Now that your PayPal account is set up, you can begin sending money, making online purchases, and receiving payments from others. It's a quick and secure way to manage your finances online. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on online tools and financial management.